Hi, I'm Richie Tabor. I wrote a silly little song. It's called Louise, Louise, Your Perfume Makes Me Sneeze. I hope you enjoy it. Sounds like this. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. Please don't stand so close to me, it brings me to my knees. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. I'm begging and I'm pleading, darling, not to wear it, please. Perfume that you always wear when you come to town. Well, I can smell it a mile away, it always makes me frown. Every time you come around, I try to leave this town, 'cause when you stand so close to me, I fall right to the ground. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. Please don't stand so close to me, it brings me to my knees. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. I'm begging and I'm pleading, darling, not to wear it, please. I remember on last Monday when I brought you to the store. You went and bought that damn perfume, I ran right out the door. Jumped right down into the car and dropped it on the floor, screaming out the window, I can't take it anymore. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. Please don't stand so close to me, it brings me to my knees. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. I'm begging and I'm pleading, darling, not to wear it, please. I'm standing on a corner when some gunmen held me up, and you came across the street and you're all made up. That gunman caught a whiff of that perfume you always wear. He dropped his gun right to the ground, his eyes began to tear. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze, but I'm so glad you came along and saved my life from me. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. I'm hoping and I'm praying that you'll always wear it, please. I ask you if you'll marry me, and you say I do. But I'm so doggone happy, I can only say achoo! Preacher says I now pronounce you husband and a wife. I learned to love the smell of that perfume that saved my life. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. Please don't stand so close to me, it brings me to my knees. Louise, Louise, your perfume makes me sneeze. I'm hoping and I'm praying that you'll wear it just for me. Louise. Thank you very much for listening. And please tune into my YouTube channel and submit. Have a great day. Thank you.